Today I'll be talking about how to make 2025 the best year of your life. The goal of any new year is for you to make it better than the previous year. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to improve on how you were last year such that 2025 becomes a better year for you than 2024 was.
Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Inspira Central.
Hello fellow Inspirers, welcome to Inspira Central. My name is Monica and I'm the Chief Inspirer herself. A very happy new year to you. Welcome to 2025. I'm so excited to still have you here with me in this year 2025. Thank you for joining me. To my returning viewers, I say thank you for doing this journey with me in 2024. Let's go again and have more exciting time together in 2025. And if you are a new viewer, it is so good to have you here. Come join us here and become a fellow inspirer. We have lots of interesting stuff for you to watch, enjoy, and learn from. Alright, so straight to my video. Today I'll be talking about how to make 2025 the best year of your life. The goal of any new year is for you to make it better than the previous year. Everybody wants to improve in one area of life or the other. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to improve on how you were last year such that 2025 becomes a better year for you than 2024 was. The first thing you need to do is to write out your goals for the year. What is your plan for the year? What do you want to achieve? To write out your goals for the year, you should have a journal. Start journaling today. I've talked about journaling in a previous video and I'm going to put the link of that video here in the description of this video. Now write a journal. Write out what you want to do for the year. What is your plan for the year? What areas of your life do you want to improve on? What areas do you want to change up? What areas do you want to grow in? Write that out and make it a concrete plan that you will follow throughout this year 2025. And ensure that that plan is centered on your long-term goals as well as your short-term goals. Your long-term goals are those goals that will take you a longer time to achieve, while your short-term goals are those short-term like 1 week, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year plan that will help you actualize your long-term goals in the long haul. So write them out like that. Write them exactly the way you want to be. And like I said, center everything on your long-term and your short-term goals. Center every goal that you put in your plan, in your journal, on your long-term goals and your short-term goals. The second thing to do after writing out your goals for the year is to place your written goals in a place where you can see them on a daily basis. For instance, you could put them in front of your mirror. You could paste them on your mirror if you have a tiny writing or if your goals fit perfectly in a corner of your mirror. You can do that so that each time you're dressing up, before you go to work, before you step out of the house, you look at your goals and you put them in mind and start working towards them. So put them in a place where you can see them. Remember that out of sight is out of mind. So you want your goals to remain in your mind. You want your goals to remain the focus for the year. So keep them where you can see them every single day so that consciously and subconsciously you're working towards those goals. Even when it looks as if you're doing your regular things, you are actually working towards your goals for the year. Now, the third thing you need to do is to make your goals a part of your identity. Your goals should stem from who you are as an individual. You don't just generate goals from thin air. Your goals should be closely related to who you are as an individual. And your goals should be about what you want to become, who you want to become in the future. It should be centered on how you become an improved version of yourself in one area or the other. So your goals should generate from you. Your goals should become part of your identity, because when you see your goals as part of your identity, it is easier for you to accomplish them because it's part of who you are. It's like saying that you want to make yourself a better person, and so that goal is going to help you become a better person because it's part of your psyche, it's part of your identity, it's part of how you see yourself. So your goal should be centered around your identity, who you are and who you want to become. And then the fourth tip is weave every action and decision that you take this year around your goals. Before you make a decision, ask yourself, does this align with my goals? Is this part of what I want to become? Is this part of what I want to achieve in this year 2025? Before you take a decision, you must ask yourself if this decision is part of making you a better person, if it's part of your goal for the year. Before you take any action, make sure that it is aligned with who you are and who you want to become. So make sure that your goals, because your goals are part of your identity, you make sure that every action that you take, every word, everything that you do, every decision that you make this year 2025 is a deliberate and conscious one that is working towards helping you become the better version of yourself, which is your short-term goal for this year 2025. So everything that you do from January 1st to December 31st should be aligned with everything that you want to become in this year 2025. It should be closely related to your goals for the year. Now, the last tip I have for you is to review your goals periodically. From time to time within this year 2025, look at your goals. Tick off the ones you have accomplished. Give yourself a pat on the back for the ones you have attained. And then look at which ones you need to tweak a little. Look at which ones you need to expand. Look at the ones you need to delete. Look at the ones that you have not yet achieved. And start working deliberately towards achieving them. Start taking steps every day towards achieving those goals you have not achieved. Having achieved some, it is time for you to now work on the rest that you have not achieved. So make 2025 a deliberate year where you are taking every action, every step, every decision in alignment with your goals for the year. So make 2025 a year of conscious effort where you are taking steps, deliberate steps that are in alignment with your plans for the year. I wish you the very best in 2025, and I hope you accomplish those goals that you have set out for yourself. I hope you achieve that success that you so desire and that you're working assiduously towards. I have a video here on how to get your New Year resolutions going. It was actually my very first video here on Inspira Central. I'm going to put the link of that video so you go and check it out. And please give me your feedback because like I said, that was my very first video here on Inspira Central. Please learn a thing or two. Tell me what you learned from that video and also give me feedback on what you think about that video as a whole. Alright then, I hope this video has inspired you to go and achieve those goals. Go and smash those goals and make 2025 the very best year of your life so far. I look forward to reading your comments on how this video has helped you. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more of such videos, please subscribe to this channel. Simply click the subscribe button and get subscribed to this channel today. It is completely free of charge. Also, do not forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified as soon as I update. Please like and share this video so that more people can find it and they can start working on their goals and make 2025 the best year of their lives so far. Thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. I enjoyed spending the 1st of January 2025 with you. Don't forget to be an inspiration. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Please subscribe, click the notification button, like this channel, share our videos, and follow us on social media. Thank you very much. Inspira Central.